So I bring in all the greetings from all the faculties of Speed Institute to Dr. Sumant Balgandi for scoring rank number 1 in NIMHANS in 2021 session and 2021 June session and May and June session, and yes, scored an amazingly topmost rank of rank number 1, and best wishes to you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot. It's my amazing feeling now. I'm on cloud 9. I'm speechless, actually. I secured rank 1 in DM Neurology entrance NIMHANS examination. I feel very happy. And there is a great role of Speed, all the teachers at Speed faculty, which made me achieve this success, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir, and thanks to all my teachers, sir, and faculty at Speed, sir.
And sir, that is really wonderful. Scoring DM rank number 1 in neurology in NIMHANS, and it's an amazing feeling altogether. And the day is a great day for you today. And we want to know about Dr. Sumant, where he did his medicine and where he did his post-graduation of MD, and why do you want to do neurology? Okay.
Sir, my name is Dr. Sumant Balgandi. I finished my MBBS from Karnataka Institute of Medical Sciences, KIMS Hubli, sir, from Karnataka. And also I've completed my internship and my dream branch, that is general medicine, also from KIMS Hubli only, Karnataka Institute of Medical Sciences. It was during my second year residence, PG residence, and I was in dilemma between two subjects. Like I wanted to pursue DM, super specialization, but I was in dilemma between endocrinology or neurology. The teachers at KIMS Hubli, especially the neurologists like Dr. Pradeep Kallolimat sir, they motivated me. It was the major breakthrough in for me to think for neurology as my further goal. And it was during my second year residence, during which I was posted in NIMHANS NIMHANS Neurology, sir, for 2 months as a 2 months rotational posting, sir. In NIMHANS, I had the opportunity, sir. During that time, actually, I had seen a lot of interesting cases and in NIMHANS, and teachers, faculty like Dr. Chandra ma'am, and many other, Dr. Nalini ma'am, Dr. Chandra ma'am, they were the reason for me to take up the neurology. So at that time, I made my goal to pursue neurology. So I finished my MD residence just last year, September. So immediately after my PG, I secured rank 94 in All India NEET DM Neurology entrance exam, sir. But at that time, my passion was about to do the neurology DM residence in the Central Institute, that too in the Apex Institute like NIMHANS. And NIMHANS is the best neuroscience institute in Asia. So my passion was about to get the seat in neurology in the NIMHANS. Then came the speed, sir. So Speed has made this difficult path very easy for me. Actually, this is the first attempt I am writing, first NIMHANS entrance exam attempt. And I'm very glad to say that I have achieved the rank 1 in DM Neurology entrance in my first attempt. Really, it was unimaginable without Speed, sir. And that too, actually, last December, I had the my marriage was there, sir. I had applied for NIMHANS entrance in the last session, but I could not write the exam because the exam date clashed with my marriage date, sir, ceremony. So I could not write that time. Anyway, everything happens for a good sake. I could get a rank 1 in my dream college, and it's a really happiest moment today. Really dream come true, sir. I'm very happy.
Wonderful. Now, can we ask you, what were your preparation strategy? Can you tell us something on how did you prepare? How many hours you prepare per day? You are working in the whole day. How much time you got? How you did it?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, the residence in KIMS Hubli is a very hectic duties are there. So I could not get much time during my residency, but I had made my previously. I decided to pursue neurology in my final year. I was in dilemma between endo and neuro during my second year, but I made my mind to pursue DM in neurology by end of final year. And later, it was the COVID pandemic, and we were put to COVID duties, and the exam got over. The MD, I finished MD exam. I got through, and later one year compulsory bond services there, sir, in Karnataka. It's made compulsory since last year, but this time they have put us to even peripheries like taluk hospitals. Last year they used to put only in the medical colleges as senior residents. Now because of COVID pandemic, they have put to even to taluk hospitals. So I am working as a physician in a taluk hospital in Karnataka, sir. So here also I am the only physician, and it's the COVID pandemic. It was a very hectic duty. I could not get much time during my preparation time, sir. But I had made my mind that I have to get seat in NIMHANS. So I had subscribed to Speed, sir, in October, sir. What I used to do is, whenever the cases are less in the OPD, even if the 5 minutes are there is break, even if one patient like if there is gap, I used to revise the notes, like notes of speed notes in the online apps. That helped me a lot. In Kannada, there is one proverb: "Havni hani kudidare halla, tene tene kudidare kanaja." Like small things, what we do today makes a great change in the future. So really, that speed notes that helped me a lot. And all the speed faculty, I was in contact with most of the speed faculty. Especially I want to thank Dr. Venkatesh sir, who helped me a lot, sir. Even during my like 3 months, 4 months before, I was like whether to continue or continue my perseverance towards DM residence, or whether it's okay, because one more option for me was to do a fellowship and get settled in a taluk place, because we have our own hospital, which is a 50-bedded hospital. So in a working as a physician would be a better choice. Like that point had come to my mind. But I discussed with many faculty like Dr. Venkatesh. Then he suggested that you can pursue DM neurology and you can even practice medicine along with neurology. But don't stop here, he mentioned. That was the point that turned my decision. So I continued the perseverance. I attended almost all lectures of neurology, sir. Neurology in speed, I have attended almost all lectures of neurology, and even the important topics from medicine I have attended, and I have attended all the mock tests and subject tests and all, and revise the notes. I used to make notes, and I used to revise whenever I am free. Like whenever I used to get some like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, that made the difference. And one more thing I want to say is, during the PG, you have to be focused for medicine. You have to decide by final year whether we have to do DM or not, and get like which branch you are interested in. That you have to decide, and have to give more importance for that subject, but not at the sake of losing entire that general medicine concept. So we have to be in broad specialty. We have to give importance, because even in NEET we take, or even in NIMHANS this time, there were many medicine questions. They were not very difficult, but if you are not thorough, if you have not read the Harrison, it is very difficult to answer such questions. And so during residency, during 3 years residency, make sure that you attain all the seminars and also read Harrison thoroughly and give more importance to the subject you want to pursue. And definitely join institute like Speed. I would recommend.
Now, I will ask you, what is the percentage of general medicine questions in NIMHANS?
Sir, around 30 to 40%, sir.
Okay. So were there general medicine question more oriented to neurology or all the specialties?
So no, sir. They are like general. They were from valvular heart diseases. They were from dose of ampicillin. Like it's related. Entire general medicine is covered, sir. It is not only related to neurology or neurological general medicine part. It is other than neurology part also. They will ask questions. But majority, around 70 to 75%, it will be from neurology and allied branches, sir.
Okay, I want to ask you this question because most of the students will want to know this. Did you read Bradley?
Frankly speaking, no, sir. Frankly speaking, no. First thing I would recommend is Speed Notes. Speed Notes, and definitely Harrison. We have to be Harrison. I had made notes of Harrison, not the entire Harrison. I had made notes of neurology and like related subjects like psychiatry. Not only the neurology part in the Harrison, also we have to see in the other general topics like cardinal manifestations in neurology or infections part or neuro-oncology, and all those topics also we have to be thorough in. I had made notes of it. And I had read the other topics from Harrison. I could not make the notes, but important topics I had attended in Speed online. And this time, I don't know whether it's because of COVID. I have to say it is a fortunate. I was fortunate or unfortunate. I think there were many classes compared to last year, what I heard. So I could attend much more classes that made me almost up to date every day. So almost every 3 or 4 days there used to be one class. So I used to attend all the classes, sir.
Live classes.
Live classes, and also some classes like during my duty days, as I told, sir, during it's a hectic duty, some classes I could not attend. I used to like I missed those classes. But the good news is like it would be uploaded in Speed apps soon, within 1 week. So I used to watch those classes which I left. I could not attend live, and I used to ask many doubts to Venkatesh sir. He used to answer with reference, because something would have been given in Harrison's like one answer, and because many other monograms like Bradley, those are all more reliable than Harrison. Harrison is definitely, but other than those also important, like tables. They say tables of Bradley are very important, but classes of Speed made sure that all those important topics, all those important tables or flowcharts or important topics from Bradley, they were taught in the class. So it was necessity. It was not a necessity for me to go through Bradley thoroughly, though I glanced some of the important topics and made the screenshots of it from my soft copy. So that helped me revise it thoroughly, and those notes helped me very much, sir, in achieving this success, sir. I thank you, sir, Vinayak Senthil sir, and especially Venkatesh sir, Karthikeyan sir, Tushar sir, Tamil Pavi ma'am, and Srividya ma'am, all faculty, all teachers at Speed. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
All of them will be very happy to hear from you today.
I need all your blessings and guidance in future too, sir. It's a really proud moment to have interview with like great people like you, sir, in this field.
Really wonderful talking to you. Wonderful talking to you. Can we take it this way? I mean, listening to this videos and notes and giving tests in the app will be good enough to crack this exam?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. For NEET, definitely more than sufficient. For like entrance examination, what I feel is it is very difficult to attend all the classes of speed. It's very extensive. It is very exhaustive. If you are able to give your time, if you are able to attend all the classes, not only for entrance, sir, not only for entrance, I still have 2-3 months subscription left, and I want to like complete what I have left, and definitely I feel it will be helpful for me during my next residency, DM residency, and also during my further practice periods.
Excellent. Were you able to complete all the videos? Did you complete all the videos in that?
Neurology videos I have completed, sir. Neurology videos I have completed. Medicine videos I could not complete all the topics. But important topics I have studied, sir.
Excellent. So what will be your advice to the future aspirants of neurology, DM neurology, either in NIMHANS or institute places or for NEET? What will be your advice to them?
Okay, sir. Sir, first of all, decide whether you want to pursue DM or not in your residency by at least second year. And if you want to pursue DM in a DM or MCH, at least during the residency, narrow down it to at least 2 subjects. Narrow down it to 2 subjects, and most importantly is give equal importance for all the general medicine subspecialties during the residency, especially during the first year, where we have to see more cases and more cases. From the patients only we will learn. So it is not possible to like read for and it's wrong thing also. If you stick on to one subject from the first year MD itself, I'll read only that much. It is very difficult, and medicine is there everywhere. If we want to pursue like neurology practices there and endocrinology practices there, medicine helps for everything. A doctor should be well known, he should be very much he should have interest, and he should be knowing all the important topics from medicine. But at least by the end of final year, we have to decide which subject you want to pursue in DM neurology, and give more importance for that subject, because we'll be having at least 1 month gap between the like final year exams and NEET. So I had one month gap. I could not read during that time. I got NEET All India 94th rank that time with the COVID pandemic, doing COVID duty. So at that time, what made me achieve that success was because of the Harrisons and the classes that I had attended during my residency. Because in KIMS Hubli, my college, in my parent college, they give very much importance for academics. There used to be seminars every day, and I used to attend the seminars very seriously, and I used to make notes. That helped me a lot. And after the NEET, it was my passion. So for the neurology, then it's better to subscribe coaching classes like Speed, and because the directions, the guidance they give, the faculty give, it helps the difficult path bit easier, sir. Definitely hard work and is necessary, but it makes the hard work little smart work. So what to give more importance and which topics to give more importance, that will be known by the classes, and by regularly attending the classes and mock tests, you will be like in the right path, whether okay, I am going the right path or not. It helps to understand ourselves and gives the confidence, boosts up the confidence in us, sir. So what I would advise is have confidence, and whatever the branch, whatever the super specialty it may be, you visualize being as that super specialist, practicing that super specialty brand, what my seniors used to say. So decide that and read well, and you have to be thorough in Harrison, read well, Harrison. No need of monograms, a lot of major, like most of the, like many students, what they do is from the day one only, after finishing the MD, they give more importance for the monograms. But what they ask is conceptual basic questions, sir. If you know the concepts and if you know the basics, and upon that, if we build up our latest updates, and if we get the concepts well, it is definitely it is possible to crack institute, sir, institute exam. I wish all my juniors all the very best, sir. Prepare well, study Harrison, have confidence. That's all I want to pursue, sir. Thanks a lot.
Great.
Thank once again. I thank all the faculty at Speed, sir, for giving me this. Without this, it was very difficult to achieve this. My dream come true. I'm very happy, sir.
Great. Once again, I bring in all the wishes from all the faculties and the entire institute as a team to you, and we will stand by you, and we'll be in touch, and the learning process will go on, and we will add more of clinical material to the existing system, and so that we will keep learning. And once again, we bring in all the wishes and all the greetings, and do well as a great neurologist in years to come. And your and our best wishes for a great journey of your journey in learning in NIMHANS. All the best to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.